guys, thanks for watching my YouTube channel. It is Classic Ani, and we are back with another restoration video, guys. And today I'll be showing you guys how to revive your deep wave unit. Let's get into it. Okay guys, so this wig is poorly constructed. I made this on my sewing machine within an hour, and it's just completely nappy, and it's been sitting inside my hairband for a while. And also there's a hole in the closure, complete amateur mistake, but things happen. But today we're not going to be focusing on the construction of the wig. We are going to be focusing on restoring the hair itself. Okay, I have my Cream of Nature sulfate-free shampoo, and I am running my warm to hot water, just so I can let the wig soak so it can loosen up all that glue and extra filth. I like to submerge the whole unit with it facing up, just so the water can absorb all of the lace and all of the hair evenly. Okay guys, I'm just going to show you the setup of everything that I have before I get into it. I do have my wig brush and my 2-bit 2 combs, and I did not wring out the wig. It is still very much wet, and I have my white towel because I'm about to pick up that glue. And yeah, we're about to go ahead and get it started. You always want to put a towel on the ground so that, you know, the product don't hit the floor and yada yada yada. Here you'll see me removing that extra glue that we did soak up off of the closure when we previously put the closure inside of the warm water, inside the conditioner. This is very effective for me, and it works very well. I take the towel and I rub it against the closure until all of the glue is basically off. If you have an HD or transparent lace, make sure you're being extremely careful when rubbing against the lace. The key to detangling hair is making sure you're pulling and separating the hair into which the direction it falls. So I'm separating and I'm pulling it down. I start from the bottom and I make my way up. I am separating that hair. I'm pulling it apart. You do have to get extremely aggressive because this hair, you know what I mean? Deep wave hair in general, and this hair specifically for me to speak, you know what I mean? After it sits for a while, deep wave does get tangled a little bit if you let it sit too long, like any other curly hair. So I start from the bottom and make my way up. I'm combing. I know it looks extremely fast, but literally what you see is exactly what I'm doing. I even went ahead and did a couple of layers off camera. Once you successfully make your way past a specific layer and you're able to run your fingers through it and run a comb through it, then you are good to go to the next layer. Is very lengthy and it takes a lot of energy, so do not get frustrated. Make sure you are handling those curls. Make sure that your wig know who's running things, because I had to fight with this one. This one put up a fight. Okay, child, yes, the closure is a whole different story, y'all. As y'all can see, this closure is extremely nappy. I just got done brushing this out, but we are still going to restore it even after that. Detangling was just the first part. So what I'm going to show you guys how to basically get to the nitty-gritty when it comes to it. Okay, the closure part is really tricky because as you guys can see, this was matted like real live, you feel me? But we're gonna comb and brush from the bottom up like usual. And since this is the closure, we do not want to brush coming from the root of the closure because that can cause you to lose hair. So what you're going to see me doing is wetting it continuously to loosen and get that curl and get that hair back to its natural state. You're gonna see me, as you guys, that's me doing that. Okay, yeah, so I'm brushing it down. I'm sorry, y'all, this is a voiceover. Okay, so I'm brushing it down, but I'm not brushing it down from the roots. I'm brushing it down from the body to the ends, like from the body to the ends. And it looks like I'm brushing it down carelessly, and that's kind of how you have to do it. Not like you just don't care, but literally you guys see it. Okay, I know y'all see that. Y'all see that, right? You are brushing from the ends to the body and teasing at the roots. You are not going directly at the roots. And boom, just like that, y'all, I am able to comb through it. Not just brush through it, but comb through it. The key is to keep adding that water and keep brushing that body and keep brushing the ends and making your way up. Okay guys, for this next step, it may sound over familiar, but you're gonna go ahead and warm your water up so that we can go ahead and boil this wig. So this is how the wig looks, completely detangled, hasn't been dipped in that silicone mix yet. We're able to run our fingers through it and we able to do what we gotta do. Here's your lovely silicone mix. It works wonders. I've had this hair for about a year and I restored it 3 times. So you're going to take about a cup of silicone mix and stir until you have a milky solution, and then you can go ahead and dip your unit. So while I'm dipping this hair, I do like to separate the closure from the other tracks just so I can be a little bit more lighter on that closure so we don't lose any more hair. There's absolutely no need to keep brushing and combing on your closure once you've already kind of picked at it. So I think this is the best way to do it, is to just hold it while you go to work on the rest of the wig. As beautiful as this curl pattern looks, we do have to rinse out some of that silicone mix. A light rinse will be appropriate. And yeah, just look how beautiful the curl is, guys. Like I said, this is my 3rd time restoring it, and I've had this hair for over a year. I know some wigs last a little bit longer depending on the quality, but speaking for this one, it's still bomb in my eyes, and I love it. I ran some Lottie Body mousse all through the unit and I let it sit to air dry overnight, and it came out so beautiful. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.